Hello viewers, welcome to Sharing Minds channel. Here I am going to show you a quick Excel trick how to do a VLookUp. Here I have two worksheets, purchase and location. So the purchase sheet has a product ID, product name, description, unit price, and we are in need of location where this product is located. And in the other worksheet I have the product ID and the location. Let's see how to bring in those data here automatically with the help of VLookUp. So just give the formula VLookUp, and here you have to give the lookup value, what you're going to search for, and then go to the sheet where you have the location, the table array, select the entire table, and what is your result, where it is located. It's in column 2, and I want the exact match to be done, so I give false. That's it, I got the location. Just drag the formula and you're good to go, and you got all the details what you wanted here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.